Welcome to the Bitcoin Carnival, where the excitement of the cryptocurrency world comes alive. In this video, we're diving deep into the thrilling developments surrounding Bitcoin, the digital currency that has captured the imagination of millions. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through the latest market dynamics as we explore the highs, the lows, and everything in between. We'll kick things off by giving you a brief overview of what's been happening in the Bitcoin landscape. From skyrocketing prices to sudden dips, the market is anything but predictable. We'll discuss the factors driving these changes, including regulatory news, technological advancements, and the ever-evolving sentiment of investors. This is not just another financial update, it's a vibrant exploration of a market that feels like a carnival itself, full of surprises and excitement at every turn. As we journey through this video, expect a high-energy atmosphere that mirrors the thrill of a carnival. We'll use engaging visuals, lively commentary, and perhaps even a few unexpected twists to keep you on the edge of your seat. Just like a carnival, the Bitcoin market is full of surprises, and we're here to uncover them all. But hold on tight. The Bitcoin market is known for its unpredictability, and we'll highlight some of the most astonishing moments that have left investors gasping in disbelief. Whether it's a sudden price surge or a shocking announcement, we'll be there to break it down for you. So grab your virtual ticket and join us as we embark on this exhilarating adventure through the world of Bitcoin. You won't want to miss a moment of the excitement that awaits. Buckle up, because the Bitcoin market is currently resembling a thrilling roller coaster ride, with price movements that can leave even the most seasoned investors breathless. Over the past few months, we've witnessed dramatic swings in Bitcoin's value, reminiscent of the exhilarating ups and downs of a carnival attraction. One moment, prices soar to new heights, and the next, they plunge, creating a heart-pounding experience for anyone involved in trading. Let's take a closer look at the recent trends. Bitcoin has seen significant volatility, with price fluctuations that can change in the blink of an eye. For instance, just last week we observed a surge that pushed Bitcoin past the $60,000 mark, only to see it dip back down shortly after. This kind of market behavior is akin to the twists and turns of a roller coaster, where anticipation builds, and then the unexpected happens, leaving riders gasping for breath. Several key factors are influencing these price movements. Investor sentiment plays a crucial role. When enthusiasm is high, prices tend to rise, but fear and uncertainty can lead to rapid declines. Additionally, regulatory news can send shockwaves through the market. Announcements from governments or financial institutions can create a ripple effect, impacting how investors perceive Bitcoin's future. To help visualize this thrilling ride, we'll be showcasing engaging graphics and charts that illustrate the dramatic ups and downs of Bitcoin trading. These visuals will not only highlight the volatility but also provide context for understanding the underlying trends. So, as we navigate this exhilarating Bitcoin roller coaster, keep your hands and feet inside the ride at all times. The journey is bound to be filled with unexpected twists, and we're here to guide you through every exhilarating moment. Get ready for an adventure that captures the essence of the Bitcoin market. Welcome to the Carnival of Investment Strategies, where navigating the Bitcoin market can feel like playing a series of exciting games. Just like at a carnival where each game requires a unique approach to win, the Bitcoin market offers various strategies that can help you maximize your potential for success. In this section, we'll explore some popular investment methods, including day trading, hodling, and dollar-cost averaging, each with its own set of rules and rewards. First up is day trading, a fast-paced strategy that involves buying and selling Bitcoin within a single day to capitalize on short-term price movements. This approach requires keen market analysis and quick decision-making, much like trying to hit the target at a carnival shooting gallery. If you thrive on excitement and can handle the pressure, day trading might be your game. Next, we have hodling, a term derived from a misspelled online post that has since become a mantra for long-term investors. This strategy involves buying Bitcoin and holding onto it for an extended period, regardless of market fluctuations. Think of it as the classic ring toss game. Patience and persistence are key to eventually winning the prize. Another effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount of money into Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of its price. This method helps mitigate the impact of volatility and can be likened to playing the Carnival game where you gradually stack up your tokens over time. As you embark on your investment journey, remember the importance of risk management. Set realistic profit targets and be prepared for the possibility of losses. Just like in Carnival games, not every attempt will lead to a win, but with the right strategy, you can increase your chances of success. So, think of your investments as games where strategy, patience, and smart decision-making can lead to rewarding outcomes. Embrace the thrill of the Bitcoin Carnival, and may your investment journey be filled with excitement and success. Step right up and enter the funhouse of misconceptions and myths surrounding Bitcoin. Just like a carnival funhouse where reflections can be distorted and things aren't always what they seem, the world of Bitcoin is filled with misunderstandings that can lead to confusion for potential investors. Let's take a moment to debunk some of the most common myths and clarify the reality of investing in this digital currency. First on our list is the popular myth that Bitcoin is just a bubble waiting to burst. Picture this: a balloon animal at a carnival inflated to the max and everyone is holding their breath waiting for it to pop. While Bitcoin has experienced significant price fluctuations, calling it a bubble overlooks its underlying technology and growing adoption. Just like that balloon animal, Bitcoin has proven to be more resilient than many expected. Another misconception is that Bitcoin is only for tech-savvy individuals. This myth is as misleading as thinking you need to be a magician to enjoy a magic show. In reality, anyone can invest in Bitcoin with a little research and the right tools. There are user-friendly platforms that make buying and trading Bitcoin as easy as tossing a ring onto a bottle at a carnival game. Now let's sprinkle in some humor. Have you ever heard someone say, "I'll invest in Bitcoin when pigs fly"? Well, folks, those pigs might just be soaring through the sky. Bitcoin is becoming increasingly mainstream, and it's time to shake off those outdated notions. As you navigate the world of Bitcoin, remember to question what you hear. Don't take everything at face value. Seek out accurate information from reliable sources. Just like in a funhouse, where you have to find your way through the maze, doing your homework will help you avoid getting lost in the myths. So, let's clear the air and embrace the reality of Bitcoin investing. With a little knowledge and a sense of humor, you can confidently step into this exciting carnival of opportunity. Welcome to the thrilling finale of our Bitcoin Carnival, where we take a bold leap into the future and make some exciting predictions about Bitcoin and its potential impact on the financial landscape. As we look ahead, several upcoming trends, technological advancements, and potential regulatory changes are set to shape the way we view and use Bitcoin. First, let's talk about technological advancements. The rise of the Lightning Network, which aims to make Bitcoin transactions faster and cheaper, could revolutionize how we use Bitcoin for everyday purchases. Imagine a world where buying your morning coffee with Bitcoin is as seamless as swiping a credit card. Experts predict that as this technology matures, we'll see increased adoption among merchants, making Bitcoin a more practical currency for daily transactions. Next, we can't ignore the potential regulatory changes on the horizon. Governments around the world are beginning to recognize the importance of cryptocurrencies, and while some regulations may seem daunting, they could ultimately lead to greater legitimacy for Bitcoin. According to industry analysts, clearer regulations could attract institutional investors, driving demand and potentially pushing prices to new heights. Now let's sprinkle in some expert opinions. Renowned financial analysts have suggested that Bitcoin could reach unprecedented values in the coming years, with some predicting prices could soar into the six-figure range. While these predictions may sound ambitious, they're backed by data showing increasing adoption rates and growing interest from both retail and institutional investors. But we want to hear from you. What are your predictions for the future of Bitcoin? Do you think it will become a mainstream currency, or will it remain a speculative asset? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a lively discussion. As we wrap up this carnival of insights, remember that the future of Bitcoin is as exciting as a grand prize at the end of a game. With the right strategies and a keen eye on emerging trends, you could be well positioned to ride the wave of Bitcoin's evolution. As we wrap up this exhilarating journey through the Bitcoin Carnival, Let's take a moment to recap the thrilling aspects of the Bitcoin market and the strategies we've shared along the way. We've explored the wild ride of Bitcoin's price movements, likening them to a roller coaster filled with unexpected twists and turns. From day trading to hodling and dollar-cost averaging, we've discussed various investment strategies that can help you navigate this dynamic landscape effectively. One of the key takeaways is the importance of understanding market volatility. Just like a carnival game, success in Bitcoin investing requires a mix of strategy, patience, and a willingness to adapt. Remember, whether you're in it for the short-term excitement or the long-term potential, having a clear plan can make all the difference. We also tackled some common misconceptions, debunking myths that could hold you back from exploring the world of Bitcoin. It's essential to question what you hear and seek out accurate information, as this knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions. As you embark on your own investment journey, keep these insights in mind. The Bitcoin market is full of opportunities, and with the right approach, you can position yourself for success. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in joining the Bitcoin Carnival. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment below with your predictions for the future of Bitcoin or any strategies you found effective. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.